Anyway, that's the unboxing. I spent the last 30 minutes or so playing around with this set, and overall, I like it. This isn't a full review, by the way, just my first impressions and an initial tour, and so far, as I said, I do like this set. The plane is decently sized for what's supposed to be a private jet. I really like the inclusion of this limousine, and while the radio tower is quite simple, it is good enough and serves its purpose. Overall, this plane has some really cool features, such as the entrance to the plane. They do have stairs molded in, a really nice touch there, and the engines look amazing, if I do say so myself. Could Gudi have done better? Well, of course. I can list many different improvements that can be made to not only the plane but the limo and control tower. But if I'm not super nitpicky, this is a very decent above average aeroplane set. I picked this up for around 20 bucks, which is around 14.30 USD. And so, yeah, incredible value right there. And yeah, overall, I like this and I'm really impressed with what you get for 15 US dollars. Like, this is amazing and we've done a lot of things well here. Anyway, that's going to be it for now. I'll see you guys in the full review. I still need some time to just keep playing around with it, sort some more details out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.